Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, all of you. Please open your cameras. Everybody open your camera. Okay, ready with your books? Pratyush Singh, Aditya
Yes.
Kumar, Bhavya Tyagi, all of you open your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, beta. Okay, what were we doing last week?
Exercises of chapter 2.
Exercises of chapter 2. Yes, we are supposed to continue with the next exercise. Now, what is the next exercise? Let's open up page number 22. We had done till exercise number 5, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, coming on to the next exercise, children. What is this next exercise? Complete avec les verbes donnés. That means, anybody who can tell me the translation of this question? What
we have
Yes.
present form of the verb.
Yeah, in present, au présent. But what does this line mean? What is the word donner? Nobody can tell what does the word donner mean?
No, ma'am.
Compléter avec les verbes. You understand this much? What does compléter avec les verbes mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Complete
Yes, ma'am.
with the verbs. Complete with the verbs, and then the word donner is, here it stands for given. Complete with the given verbs. Now the verbs they have already given in the bracket. And what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to conjugate these verbs according to the subject pronouns or the nouns given in the sentences. So just 2 minutes for all of you to try this out on your own, and then we'll discuss.
Ma'am, expliquer means to explain.
Yes, expliquer means to explain.
Morning, ma'am.
Are you Good morning, beta. Are you being able to do it, children? Everybody, please open your cameras. Why your cameras off?
Ma'am, I'll be opening my camera in 2 minutes.
Hurry up and all of you open. Pratyush Singh, Lakshay Kumar, Krishna Gupta, everyone. Nobody is putting up questions. Do you know all the words, all the verbs that have been used?
What is poser?
Poser, ask. Poser means to ask. Okay, done? Now, coming on to the first sentence, nous dash dans la classe. What have you written in the first blank? What is être verb? Être verb means to
B.
be.
Take.
So when they say nous dash dans la classe, that means we are in the class. And what does it become? What does être become with nous? Yes, who will
Ma'am,
tell?
Nous sommes.
Som, very nice. All of you, I hope, know this one. Nous sommes dans la classe. Then, coming on to the second one. What is the second one? Le professeur expliquait le vocabulaire. Now, expliquer, we see what it is. It is ER in the end. And when we are talking about the professor, that means what is the subject pronoun? If we replace the professor with the subject,
Il.
ill.
Ill.
Very nice. So what will the spelling of expliquer be? Here, all of you will tell me. Yes.
EXPLIQUE.
QUE. Very nice. Very nice. Le professeur explique le vocabulaire. Then, third one, les étudiants posent des questions. The students ask the questions. What will poser become with les étudiants? Who will tell?
Ma'am, posent.
Poser means to ask, to put up. Now, POSER. Again, we see it's ER ending.
Ma'am,
Yes.
POSENT.
Very
POSENT.
nice. POSENT. Les étudiants posent des questions. It's also called pose. We don't say posent. What is it called? Pose. Then, the next one, the fourth one, nous ne dash aimer. Now, aimer is the verb. Pas beaucoup la grammaire. Now, children, what is this thing? Now this here we are coming across a new thing. Now everybody pay attention on the board. Suppose I say, can I erase it?
Yes,
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you written all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
I want to say, I like chocolates. I like chocolates. Okay. Now, how will I put this sentence into negative? How will I make this sentence negative? Tell me.
Ma'am, I do not like chocolates.
Very nice.
I do not like chocolates.
I do or don't. Don't is also correct. I don't like chocolates. Right? Then, here also in French also there is a particular rule in making the sentences into negative. Suppose I say, j'aime les chocolats. This is what? A positive sentence. Now what I have to do is I have to put it into negative. So what I'm going to do is the rule of making sentences into negative in French is ne plus
I'm putting
verb
N.
plus pas. What does it mean? We put ne before the verb and we put pas after the verb. So if I want to say I don't like chocolates, what I'm going to do, I will put ne over here. But since A and E can't come together, so it will be je n'aime. Je n'aime. And what will come after the verb according to the rule? Pas.
Pa.
Je n'aime pas
Papa.
le chocolat. Now see what is given here in this sentence. Here I taught you with je, this subject pronoun. That is why I'm putting M. Now the sentence they have used it with nous. So what they have done?
Ma'am,
Nous n'aimons pas. We do not like grammar. Now they are talking about grammar. We do not like grammar much. Beaucoup stands here for much. Now in English also we say I don't like it much, isn't it? I don't like it very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly in
ma'am.
French, now this is how they have used. Let me give you 1-2 examples more so that you understand it properly. Now, I want all of you to negate this sentence. Je parle français. What will you do? What is the verb over here? First, we have to identify
I'm
the
fine.
verb.
And parle.
Parle is the verb. What we are going to do? Before parle, what are we going to put?
Ma'am, we will name.
Any.
No.
Then
And after
verb will come as it is. Ne parle.
Pa.
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 Rest of the words will come as it is. Je ne parle pas français. Is that clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
why? Pa?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of PAS?
Pa means not. Like we learned in class 6. If somebody asks you how you are, you say not bad. So what was the expression? Pa mal. Mal stands for bad. Pa means not bad. So here also, both of them, na and pa, together, they mean what in English do and not mean. In English also we put I like chocolates, I do not like chocolates. Similarly in French, what is replaced with do not? Ne and pas. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's move ahead. So, what is the conjugation here? Nu, nemo, pa. You understand what will come? Because we have nu over here. So, amer is what? Amer is er. Amer is er ending verb. We have to conjugate the verb in the same way like we do with subject pronouns. So, what we'll do? Nu, nemo,
Ma'am,
pa, like that. Then the next one. Now the next word is prefere. Prefere means to like. If you want to say I like any subject, I like maths, I like Hindi, I like English. So we will not say am. For subjects now, we don't use the verb aimer. What we use? Prefere. Prefere means to like. What will come with no? Who will tell me?
ONS.
Come on.
What will tell me the spelling? Tell me the
Ma'am,
spelling.
Preference.
Very good. Prefer wrong. Then, nous préférons le cours de dessin. Now they say that we are in the class, the teacher explains the vocabulary, the students ask the questions. We do not like grammar much. We do not like grammar a lot. We like the class of dessin. Le cours de dessin means the class of designing or drawing. Dessin stands for drawing. We like the class of design. Les filles. Now, they're talking about les filles. Les filles, again in the bracket, préfèrent le cours de piano. The girls like the class of piano. Now, what will be the spelling of prefer here?
Ma'am,
Prefrent.
E-N-T. Why? Because we are conjugating it according to les filles.
Ma'am, Alice.
Yes, which is as good as E-double-L-E-S. Les filles préfèrent le cours de piano. Then the next one. Elle dash des chansons anglais.
ma'am, they sing English songs.
Yes, they sing English songs. Now what will come in the blank? With
Ma'am,
S.
chant.
Chantent.
C-H-A-N-T.
T-E-N-T.
T. Fine. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everything is clear till here in this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very
Yes,
easy,
ma'am.
children.
Yes,
Once you just have the concept clarity in your mind, how these verbs are to be conjugated, how subject pronouns are to be placed according to the verb. Okay, I'll give you 3 sentences here. Look up on the board. Just fill this blank according to your choice. It can be a subject, it can be a subject pronoun, anything. Can you see?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. Dash won à l'école.
Ma'am, no.
If I tell you to
Ma'am,
put a subject pronoun here, what will that subject pronoun be?
No.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
no.
L.
Mm,
Yes?
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am, no.
What is Navya saying, beta? Navya, what is your answer?
No, ma'am. Nous.
N-O-U-S. Okay. Anyone else? Because it's wrong.
Ma'am, L. Ma'am, L.
Yes?
Ma'am, else.
Else. All right. Else is one option. Very nice. Anything else we can put here? Okay. This
Ma'am,
this
Else.
you have
Is.
ILS. Very nice. You can also put ILS. Anything else? These are subject pronouns that you have put. Now, if I tell you to put a subject here. What will that subject be?
Ma'am, les garçons.
Caroline.
Lays. What, Aditya?
Ma'am, les garçons.
Very nice. Very nice. You're saying les garçons. Very good. Anything else?
Les filles. Les filles.
Very good. Les filles. So these are, now if we talk about subjects, we have infinite options. We have many options, you can say. But if we talk about subject pronouns, now that's here. I see when you answer me correctly, I can see the concept clarity in all of you by using this also and this also. Coming on to the next sentence. Navya, beta, you understood where you went wrong?
Yes,
you-
ma'am. I got it.
Yes? Good. Now, next. Dash a une voiture.
Ma'am, two.
Ma'am, two.
Very nice.
Tu.
Very nice.
Two.
Tu as une voiture. Now here we do not have many options to place. Then next, dash M la glace.
Ma'am, ja.
Ma'am, ja.
Ma'am, J.
Ja.
Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, L or L.
Just
L.
one option, very good.
L also.
L or L is another option, very nice.
Yes,
Next,
Ma'am, we can put our name.
very nice.
Yes,
This is what I wanted to hear. Now, if we talk about any subject, we can put any
Caroline.
masculine name or any feminine name. Anything. Name can be any. But one clause is we are just going to use singular name. We can't use two names here. Why? Because of the verb.
Ma'am,
Correct?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
it will be N, so we can use two or more names.
Yes, if it would have been ENT in the end, M, then we could have used two words here. But then this subject pronoun would not come. It would be ills and else. Isn't it? Now here it becomes
ma'am.
clear. Very nice. Any doubt till here, children?
No, ma'am.
Any other question if you have
No,
in your
ma'am.
mind? No. Now coming on to the text that is given. Lisez ce texte sur Nicolas. Now what is the question? Read ce. What is ce text? Ce text means this text, this passage. I would have also used le text. Read the passage. But here, now what is the meaning of ce? All of you should know. Ce means this. And if I want to use the plural of ce, any guesses? What is the plural of ce? Yes?
Ma'am, sir, song.
CES.
No. Ce sont, beta, ce sont is the plural of say. Say is singular, ce sont is plural. What is the plural of ce? Okay, you have
CEZ.
CES. The plural of ce is say. Now, if I want to say read these texts, I will say TEX. Say text. Clear? This and these.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This girl, or I will say fille. These girls. Okay.
These girls.
Now, coming on to this part, lisez ce texte sur Nicolas. Sur Nicolas, what does the word sur mean? I have done this in the first chapter. Zero chapter, lesson 0. What is the word sur? Nobody remembers. Very nice.
Ma'am, on.
On. Yes. It means on. Now read this text on Nicholas. This text is about a boy named Nicholas. Now let's read it. Who will read? Aditya Mishra. Open your camera and start reading. Arav, Ayush, Krishna, Utkarsh. Everybody open your cameras. Ridhima, Alishba, Lakshya Kumar.
I don't
Excuse me,
have
ma'am.
a book.
Yes.
I'm attending from my computer, so and I don't have a webcam in it.
Okay. What about Aditya Mishra?
I don't have a book.
You don't have?
The book.
You don't have the book. Beta, so what are you doing from last so many minutes in the class? Why didn't you ask for the PDF? Don't you know every time I share PDF with you if you people ask it for? Are you not
Yes,
in the mood?
ma'am, I know.
Then why didn't you ask for it? And why haven't you saved it previously when it has been shared so many times? Now one of you please share the PDF. Anyone has it or shall I look for it?
Ma'am, I'm sending.
Yes, I also found it.
Ma'am, I've sent. Ma'am, I've sent.
Sent? Very nice. Now Aditya, open up page number 23, 7th question. Lisez ce texte sur Nicolas. Now you have got it, Aditya, or is there any other excuse that you have to offer? No answer. Okay, what about you, Krishna Gupta? Krishna, Lakshay, Ayush, what about 3 of you?
I'm opening.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the articles also become rulers
Yes,
Plurals
they become,
with
yes,
subject.
according to the subject, definitely beta. No, see, if,
I'm like,
see, wait, just a minute, give me a minute.
Ma'am, I have also one doubt. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes, there was somebody at the door, so I had to go. Now see, you are saying we change articles according to the subject pronouns. This is what you asked?
ma'am, subjects like English, Hindi, maths.
No, just tell me, give me one example in English, what you want to ask.
Ma'am, like in the para, it's written le ami, il ami, le anglais, et le France.
Okay, il M. It's not il
Ma'am,
ami,
it
it's
will change.
il
Amen.
M. Now he likes Hindi, English, like that. This is what you're saying?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, these subjects will also change.
Better subjects will be put in French language. Na? Like suppose I want to say I like French. So I will say j'aime le français. I will say français in French language. Why will I say in English language? Is this what you want? You are asking?
Ma'am, I am saying these like le English, it will change to les English.
But why will we say? Do you ever say in English that I like Hindis? What do you say? Subject
Ma'am, I like
singular में ही बोलते हैं ना?
Ma'am, but there is a plural given of the country's name.
Yes, now a few subjects like see maths. Maths is a plural thing. Le mathematik. Now that is by default. If it is so, we say it like that. But suppose if I want to say I like French, I will not say j'aime les français. J'aime le français. That is what I'm going to say. For maths, I will use les mathématiques because mathematics. Maths is in plural already. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any
Ma'am,
other
I have a
question?
doubt.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, and 1 second, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when we will, ma'am, does we also change the verb, ma'am, with the noun, ma'am? If noun is plural, then verb will be also plural. I'm like, ma'am, or ma'am, opposite. Like in English, it's like he likes pencil and or he like no, he like ice cream or he likes ice creams. Oh,
No, see
sorry,
what,
he
okay.
like ice cream and he likes ice cream.
Okay, now tell me, in English also, there are few rules to place verbs, to use these verbs. I can't say we like ice creams. Can we say we like ice creams? We
No,
take
ma'am.
with we, how will like be put? As like only. See,
Yes, ma'am.
look up here. We like toffees. Okay, we like toffees. He, now what will, how will like come with he?
I'm like only if it's plural. Ma'am, toffee we are writing in plural.
So this like word, you are putting it according to the toffee. You are putting it according to the object, or verbs are
Yes, ma'am.
placed according to the subject. What are verbs placed
Ma'am, object.
according to?
Ma'am, subject.
They
Ma'am,
are placed.
sometimes object also.
No, beta. How will a verb be placed according to any object?
Ma'am, for example, ma'am, if the object is in plural form, ma'am, so we will not add s
Okay,
in
give
the
me one
ma'am verb.
example. You are saying this, but I want an example in sentence.
Ma'am, he writes with a ma'am, like he writes with a pencil. So, ma'am, there is s coming with writes, ma'am, because ma'am, pencil is
Oh,
singular.
now see, beta, see. Wait. He likes toffees. Okay. Now this is in plural. You want to say that object is in plural. So we have put S here. Is this what you want to say?
No, ma'am. If the object is in plural, we will put the verb in singular.
Beta, ye to now I feel like taking your English classes. This is not a French class. Now we have changed the class into English. Dekho. How do we use verbs with first person, second person, and third person? Let's go back to class 4. First person, second person, and third person. हम कैसे use करते हैं verbs? What is third person? What is first person? First person is the speaker.
Ma'am,
That is
I
I.
and we.
ठीक है? I and we. वही plural form like je and nous. Isn't it? It's je and this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
nous. Then second person is, who is the second person?
Ma'am, he, she, or it.
You. No, it's you.
They.
Second person is whom
Yes,
you
ma'am,
are
yes.
talking to. Right? Like I'm talking to you. So in French language, it is replaced by either tu or vous. Right? Now talking about the third person. Third person. Who is the third person? Third person can be
And
he,
they, he, or she,
she,
or
it, they.
ma'am, they.
So it is replaced with what? It is replaced with il, el, sir. Like I said, taught you right now. Sir, it means sir. This means sir. And they. ILS or ELLES. Coming on to English language, let's get back to English language only. अगर मुझे कहना है I like French. So what will I say? How will I use like verb? Let's just pick the verb to like. ठीक है? हम to like verb ले रहे हैं आज. I like French. Okay, let me say I like pilot pen. ठीक है? I like pilot pen. Correct? Yes, Utkarsh.
ma'am.
It is being specially
Yes.
done for you. If I want to say, I like Pilot pens, not only just one pen, I like Pilot pen, or I like Pilot pens. I like to write with Pilot pens. But like remains like only whether I have used pen or I have used pens. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
This like
Ma'am,
does
I
not
can-
depend on the object. This like depends on the subject. How it has
Yes,
to
ma'am.
be conjugated. Second, now listen to the second thing. He likes Pilot pens. He likes Pilot pen. And again, you can change the object into plural. He likes Pilot pens. Sorry, he likes. It will be he likes. Why? Because with third person, we always use the verb with S. He likes, he does, he goes. Isn't it? Do I ever say I
Yes,
does
ma'am.
this work? I does?
No, ma'am.
No, I never say that. There are certain rules that are to be followed. So it does not depend on the object. Object can be in singular, it can be in plural. But what it depends on is the subject that we are using. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the thing
Yes.
in French. Now let's come on to French language. Dekho, only what changes is I like le chocolat. Okay, chocolat. Why? Because chocolat is masculine, so I am placing le before it. I like chocolate. J'aime. Now, if I want to say I like chocolates, what will I do? I will change it into. I will change it.
plural.
I will change chocolate into plurals, and what will happen? This article will also
Lovely.
be changed into plural. This is what the change will be. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
I want to say you have, tu as un livre. You have a book. Again, I want to say you have some books or you have books. Livre gets changed into L-I-B-R-E-S. Just a second, children, just a second. Yes. Now what I was saying?
Ma'am, tu are libre.
Yes. Tu are. Now what I'll do, I'm talking about livre in plural. So this article changes into plural. But the verb remains same, beta. The verb will come according to subject pronoun. Only the article
Okay.
gets changed according to the object, according to the noun.
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Any other doubt you have?